Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a hidden Veo3 technique that can completely level up your content automation workflow. We will break it down step by step and it's super easy, no coding needed. Okay, let's get started. First, let's quick talk about JSON prompt. A JSON prompt is basically a structured request you give to the AI. Instead of writing messy instructions, you use JSON format to organize details like scene, host, gesture, background, tone, and dialogue. This will help Veo3 understand exactly what you want and generate better and more consistent results. And now, how do you create this prompt fast? It's so easy. You can build a JSON Prompt Maker using the project feature in ChatGPT. This way, you don't have to rewrite long prompts every single time. And if you don't know how to make this project yet, no worries, I have put a full tutorial link in the description below. So just click on it. Next, once your JSON Prompt Maker is ready, just go to menu and then JSON Prompt Maker and then just type your prompt. In here, I will just type my prompt like this and then, but just feel free to write your prompt. You can customize everything like scene designs, host looks, gesture, intonations, or even dialogue styles. The more specific you are, the better automation's result. And once you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this. When your JSON prompt is ready, just copy it and then just go to Google Flow and then just create new projects and then paste the prompt like this and then just choose the method into text to video and then just choose the model video and then output number and aspect ratio that you like, and then when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like that, your video is ready. Let's try to play it.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how AI makes the future smarter and easier. Let's dive in. Hey everyone.
Okay, like this, your automated video is done in seconds. And then if you wanna continue the next part or the next scene, just tap on the add to scenes and then just build your next scenes. And okay, that's it. How you unlock hidden Veo3 techniques for smarter content automations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.